Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn what are all the formulas used for solving 3 by 3 cube. There are totally 5 formulas you got to follow. First formula is hide and seek formula. Suppose if you want to have a coin here, the same color coin like blue color, you can bring it here using hide and seek formula. So you should have the similar coin here, and this coin can replace this coin, and using hide and seek formula you can easily bring this coin here. So what you have to do is, if this coin is in the middle of this these two column, you can either rotate this column in right side or left side. Okay, you have to hide this coin in either side. If this coin is in the right side, you got to hide this coin in the left side. If this coin is in left side, you got to hide it in the right side. So you got to hide the required coin in the opposite direction, and then you got to seek it behind. Okay, that's the formula. So let's see a demo. So here I would like to bring this coin here. So what I have to do, because of its position in the middle of these two, you can either rotate in right side or left side to hide. Okay, so I am going to hide it in the left side. Okay, hidden. Now bring the required column down. Okay, then seek the hidden coin behind. Okay, so return it. Okay, then again move up this column to the top to have this coin moved to here. Okay, yes, it has been moved. We will see another scenario. It is in the exact middle, so you got to rotate this middle in either side. Okay, so I have hidden it in the right side, and rotate the top column here, and yes, this is the hide and seek formula for this. Okay, also here we have another one. So see, here we have another one, and this coin can replace this coin. So if you would like to hide this coin, what you got to do is you got to hide this coin in the left side, because it is its position is the right side. So hide in the left side, bring the required column down, and seek the hidden coin, and move up behind. And yes, this is the hide and seek formula. Next formula used is J formula. So how you put J? First you will put a line, then you put a tail, then you put a head. Okay, in a similar way you have to follow. Okay, to have a plus symbol in the bottom, usually you will do this J formula. So here I will only show a demo to you. Okay, so first of all uh, you have to fix the position according to the some rules, like if you have J here, you have to fix in this position, otherwise you can take any position. Okay, then you got to start with the right side column. Okay, so first draw a line. Okay, so I have drawn a line, then draw tail. I have drawn tail now. Okay, then draw head, but not here. You have to draw the back head. Okay, draw in the back head. Okay, yes. So we have put J like. Okay, now you have to reverse this J. Okay, to complete J formula, after putting J you have to reverse it. So first you have to reverse the tail, then reverse the head, not this. Okay, reverse the head, then again reverse the final one, that is this line. Okay, vertical line. Okay, again I do it for J formula. Okay, again I show a demo. Draw a line, draw tail, draw back head. Okay, then draw reverse tail, then reverse back head, and reverse the line. Okay, this is J formula. Then we will use a single corner formula that is usually used for right side, so this can be also called as right corner formula. This formula is used to have a plus symbol in the all front sides. Okay, so uh, what you will do, just you go to bring right side column down once, and then you go to move this bottom twice towards right side, this side. Okay, because you have used right side column, so you go to rotate bottom twice in the right side. Okay, then you go to take this column up. Okay, down up, this will come continuously. Okay, then bottom you go to rotate one, then down, then bottom you go to rotate one, then up. Okay, this is right side corner formula or single corner formula. Again I do it. See here, for this corner I am putting right side corner formula or single corner formula. Okay, down the column first, then rotate bottom twice, up this column, then rotate the bottom once, then down this column, then rotate the bottom once, then up this column. Yes, completed. This is single corner formula. Then we will use L formula or 11 formula. So for that, usually think that you will put L like this. Okay, one line, then one horizontal line. Okay, you have to put either side L. Okay, that is this is also called as double L formula. Okay, so right side you are putting one L, in the same way you have to put left side L. Okay, draw a line here, then put L. Okay, so this is also called as 11 formula. So this 11 formula is used to correct wrong pieces at the all four corners. Okay, so here I would like to show a demo for L formula or 11 formula. So first you are putting a line in the right side like this by bringing this column down, then draw the horizontal line by drawing bottom coin like this. Okay, by rotating this bottom. Okay, so you have drawn one L on the right side, then you have to put it in the left side. Okay, in the similar way, bring this left side column down, then rotate this bottom like this to have L here. Okay, at the same time, horizontal line of this right side L has been reversed. Okay, so finally this vertical line is available, so you have to reverse it too. If you are doing any formula, any simple formula JL, you are reversing it. After putting J you are reversing. So in the similar way here, after putting L you are reversing it. Already this horizontal line is reversed while putting L in the left side. Okay, uh, so this line is now reversed. Then in a similar way you go to reverse in the left side too. So what you go to do, this is the horizontal line. You have moved horizontal line from here. Okay, so you go to now reverse it from here. Okay, so from this side you go to reverse. Okay, then reverse this vertical line. Okay, finished. This is L formula or 11 formula. Once again I am doing the demo. First you are bringing this column down, then bringing bottom like this to have L on the right side, then in the left side. Okay, 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 finished. Okay, then final formula is double corner formula. Like single corner formula, you have to use the double corner formula. After putting right side corner formula, you have to instantly put left side for corner formula. Okay, that is called as double corner formula. This formula is used to have final touch, like correcting all four corners for the similar color. Okay, so here I am showing a demo. Suppose if this is the position you are taking, and you have to bring right side column down like a single corner formula, then you have to rotate bottom twice towards right side, then up the column, then rotate bottom once, then down the column, then rotate the bottom once, then up the column. Okay. After putting right side corner, just you have to keep like this and put it in the left side. That is called double corner formula. Okay. You should not change the